Hello, this is Sharif Abu Zaid, and in this video I will show you how you can add a button to your WordPress website where if someone clicks the button, a pop-up will open, ask them, maybe giving them an offer or asking them to add their email address and first name. And this is an example of a button. So this is a lead generation page where I just designed asking people if they like to receive an ebook, and this is the button, and when they click the button, a pop-up will open asking them to add their email address to receive the ebook. So in this video, I'll show how you can do the same inside your WordPress website. To do this, we'll be using two plugins. One of them is a free plugin, which is the Fluent Forms, and the Kadence Plugins Pro. We will be using the premium plugin for Kadence Block to add this effect. So let's get started by going to plugins. And let me show you. So now I have installed the Fluent Forms plugin and the Kadence Blocks free and the Kadence Blocks Pro extension. So for the Fluent Forms, you can simply go to plugins and click on add new and search for Fluent Forms. And once you see the plugin, this button will be named like install now. You click install now and click activate. For the premium extension of Kadence Blocks, you will need to buy the premium extension because this is called a modal button, but it's not available in the free version. You will need to buy the Kadence Blocks Pro, and you will have a link to this page in the video description. So without any further delay, let me show you how you can achieve this effect in using the Fluent Forms plugin and the Kadence Blocks. So once you have the Fluent Forms activated, we go to Fluent Forms and we choose a new form. And here we will have like templates for everything, but I like to start from scratch. We click create form. And here we need, these are all input fields you can be used. That for the sake of this video, we'll be using only the email address. We just drag it and drop it here. Let me try again, and this is one. And now we have a complete form, but I like to add this. You can use this button, this submit button. We can change it to sign up now or something like this, but I like to use another input field called a custom submit button and add it here. Let me just add it here. Let me try again, custom. This is the custom button. As you can see, the difference is mainly we can change the background color. So let me say, let's change the text to yes, I want the ebook, and that's it. Now you have a form that can be added to the button. Of course, you need to integrate the form with your email marketing platform. The free version, with the free version of Fluent Forms, you can connect it to Fluent CRM and MailChimp. To connect them, you simply go to integrations and you choose MailChimp and Fluent CRM, and under the form itself, the form settings itself, this is the form. Under settings and integrations, you can integrate this form with MailChimp or Fluent CRM so you can add them to your email automation platform, and you can generate you can send them the ebook via email. But before leaving the editor of Fluent Forms, let me change two things. First, we need to change this label. We just need to remove it, and under the placeholder we can say enter email address, so we have more space. And the last thing, let's change the form name to be like new. Let me change it here. New subscription form. New subscription form, and click rename. So now the Fluent Form part is done. Now we need to style the button itself. Let me show you how you can add a button here. Let me open this page and we click in edit page. And I will just remove it now. Let me remove it and show you how you can add it. So to add it, we click in this plus button to the left of the screen and we search for modal. And that's it. This is the modal page. We just drag it and drop it here. So this is how it works. You have the link settings, which is the button, and we have what's called an overlay. For the link, we need to make it, we can change here, let's say, yeah, download, click to download the button, the ebook, and maybe we can add, you know, this icons. We can make it like stand out, and also we can, you know, go to the link settings here and we change everything. We can change the link color, which is a text. We can just make it white, and the background to make it, you know, red, and we can change the border to be red as well. You know, we can make few other changes. Maybe the padding, let's make the padding like 10 or even 20. Let's make it 15. And we change the font size. We can change the font size. This is the font family. The font size, we can make it like 20 or even 25 to make it stand out. So now we have, let's update it and let's view the page. When we click here, oh, so now the button is ready, but there is no form here. What we can do is that we go to the form again and we click in the overlay. And here we can add whatever we want in this overlay. You can add a form, we can add an image, whatever we want. But we need to add the Fluent forms, the Fluent form, you know, subscription address. So what we can do is that we click here and we go to the plus button again, the plus button, and we search for Fluent forms, and you drag this Fluent forms here. And we choose the form. We select, this is, if you remember, the new subscription form, and we click update. And if we refresh the page again, and we click here, now we have the form that we have already styled before. Of course, we can add, you know, something before this. Maybe if we need to add like a heading or some other words, maybe we can, you know, write something like add your email below to receive the ebook, and let's make this one XLR, no, not XLR, maybe large, minimum large. Yes, and click update, and let's see, and that's it. This is the text. Of course, we can, you know, style it again and make everything we want, but that's it. This is how you can add an ebook and a pop-up to your button inside WordPress. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel because I create similar videos every single week. Give me a thumbs up and share the video with your colleagues, network, so everyone else can make use of it and, you know, apply the same strategy. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.